2018 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, fog lights, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, tachometer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, brake assist, daytime running lamps, panic alarm, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, chrome rear bumper, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.